Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to cross your fingers easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into the video. If you want to cross your fingers just like this is the video for you. Believe it or not, a lot of people struggle with crossing their fingers and they want to be able to do it, but they don't know where to start or how to make it happen, how to make it work. So I'm here today to solve that problem and show you exactly how to do it with step-by-step instructions. So let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is understand how the finger crossing works. Essentially, you're going to be taking your middle finger and you're going to be bringing it to the top, over top of your index finger. So your middle finger is going to go over top of your index finger and come down. Now you'll notice that my index finger actually moves. My index finger does the majority of the moving, okay? And the middle finger just kind of comes down on the side over there. And that's the key here. A lot of people are trying to bring their middle finger across. And it really, I can't do it like that. I'm trying. Right? My index finger is the one that does the majority of the moving. And then the middle finger sort of meets it over there. Okay? So this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, essentially take your middle finger and you want to just place it over top of the sort of this part of your index finger. So take your middle finger, just sort of go like this. Place it over top, right? So we're just going like that. Just like that. We're just literally placing it on top like that. That's the first step. Practice that a few times. You want to get your fingers used to that. The next step is you want to do that, but then you want to drag your middle finger down the other side of your index finger. So I'm placing it on top and I'm following the outside of the index finger like that, okay? So that's training my fingers to be a little bit more flexible. I'm just sort of bringing it down like that. I'm following it down the outside, okay? So step one, place the middle finger over top of the index finger like that. Step number two is do that and then slide it down like that. You're using this as a guide. And then step number three, once you practice that many times, is you're just going to do that, but you're going to bring a little bit more flex into it and you can just go right on the other side. So you can see my middle finger is already on the other side of my index finger right here and bring it down like that. And then eventually, if you practice enough, you can do it while still keeping these other fingers up. So I can go and I can bring that middle finger down while still keeping the other fingers up. Just like that. And that's fingers crossed while these fingers remain up. That takes a little bit more practice. Even myself, I'm not a professional at that just yet. And I've been doing this my whole life, right? But if you really think about it, you can do it like that. So that is how to cross your fingers. I've gone over the basic way. Bring it over and slide it down the index finger. And it doesn't matter if these fingers bend. And then the more advanced way is keeping these fingers upright and just going like that. Just boom. You're bringing that middle finger all the way across the index finger just like that. So going all the way across. You're starting on the other side. You're not dragging it down for the most part. You are a little bit, but I'm already starting it over here, right? And then I'm just bringing it down a little bit on that side. That's it. That is how to cross your fingers. A step-by-step tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.